Fred Williams XL primes. Well, we were working with VSTACK. Well, why not VSTACK? Combine multiple columns into a new 10 row by 2 column. What's the difference? All we're doing is adding VSTACK. If we were to break this down, we're going to see a list that just extends down 20. I'll show you. Grab this, Control copy, escape, Control V, get rid of this WRAPCOLS, get rid of the 10. There is our list. We've seen this how many times? Here we have 3 lists. We're combining them into this. This is what VSTACK does. We've done this. What do we have? 10 examples? You should know how to do this. If you were to go WRAPCOLS and then this array, you're going to get this output. We're going to go copy and then just go Control V. And here we're going to get rid of VSTACK, all this other garbage, and we're going to grab this array. We're just going to hit go. And I'm sure there's probably, because there's a spill feature, this thing's going to want to overwrite it, as I pointed out earlier. That's not the way I dance. So I'm going to go B31 to try to grab this entire deal without this thing interfering. B5 to B13, D5. All right, what I did is I just took this WRAPCOLS, B31 to B50 to 10. Here's the data. All we did, we just wrapped it in here. Right here, we have WRAPCOLS, VSTACK. Isn't this what we just did? We took this data, we took all the 3 arrays, 3 lists, we put them into this package here. Then we took WRAPCOLS and took this data. This is the beauty of nesting. We get the same result wrapped all together. And our output is shown here. Why did I do this? Because sometimes you're scratching your head going, I just don't get it. Always break it down to its lowest common denominator. Here, again, the anatomy. These are all separate compartments. Put an equal sign in front of each one of these things and work it out. Here's the anatomy. Here's the narrative. Fred Williams, XL Prime.